How to make a game pass in Roblox mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a game pass in Roblox mobile. Firstly, open up your browser. After that, navigate to your browser's address bar at the bottom and enter createroblox.com. Then go ahead to the main menu on the top left by tapping on the three lines. Next, tap on Creations from the left column. Now ensure that My Experience is chosen as the default option. While you might have various experiences, select the one for which you want to create a game pass by tapping on it. After that, tap on any one of them, and then Configure Localization. Then tap on the three lines at the top. Now, on Monetization, tap on the passes. Next, on Creations, you have the option to create a pass, so tap on it. So here, you can enter your name and image and add a description. And now, we have created a game. So this is how you can create a game pass in Roblox mobile. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.